In this video, I'm going to show you how to host multiple websites on Stellar Namecheap hosting step by step. This is a super useful setup if you want to manage more than one website from a single hosting account without confusion, and the best part is that it only takes a few minutes once you know where to click. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple web hosting and website setup guides. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Namecheap account. Once you're inside your dashboard, you'll want to go to your domain list. This is where all of your registered domains are shown in one place, and it's the first step to making sure each domain is connected correctly for hosting. Next, find the domain you want to add and click Manage. This opens the settings for that specific domain, where you can control everything from DNS to Nameservers and more. On this page, look for the Nameservers section. By default, your domain may be using a different setting, but for this setup, you need to select Namecheap Web Hosting DNS. This tells the domain to point to your Namecheap hosting account properly. After selecting Namecheap Web Hosting DNS, click the green checkmark to save the change. This step is important because without saving, the domain won't update and your hosting connection won't work correctly. Once saved, your domain is now configured to work with your Stellar hosting plan. Now go back to your account and open the hosting list. This area shows your active hosting plans. Find the hosting plan you want to use and click Go to cPanel. cPanel is where you'll create the additional domain and organize each website into its own folder. Inside cPanel, open Domains. This section is where you can manage all the domains connected to your hosting account. To add another website, click Create a new domain. A new form will appear, and here you'll enter your domain name exactly as you want it to appear. Before submitting, there is one very important setting you need to change. Uncheck Share Document Root with the main domain. If you leave this enabled, your new website may use the same folder as your main site, which can cause serious problems and mix up your files. By unchecking it, you make sure each website has its own separate space. After that, check the document root field and make sure it points to a separate folder. This is what keeps your website files organized and prevents conflicts between your main domain and the new one. A separate document root means each site can have its own WordPress install, custom files, or content without interfering with the others. Once everything looks correct, click Submit. cPanel will now create the new domain and connect it to its own folder on your Stellar hosting account. After that, you can upload your website files or install WordPress for the new domain and repeat the same process for any additional websites you want to host. And that's it. You've successfully set up multiple websites on Stellar Namecheap hosting. If this tutorial saved you time, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more practical tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.